everyone, I hope you are all doing well. In the last video, we discussed clauses. In this video, we discuss some more important queries in the SQL. First one, alter, which is used to modify the structure of an existing database object, which means modify the existing database. In that first one, add column, adding new column to the table. Syntax: alter table name, add column name, data type, constraint. For example, alter table student, add column age, int not null, which is used to add the new column to the table. Next one, drop column, delete the existing column. Syntax: alter table name, drop column name. Example, alter table student, drop column age, delete the age column. Next one, rename, rename the table name. Syntax for this: alter table name, rename to new table name. For example, alter table student, rename to college. Student is old table name, college is new table name. Next one, change column, alter table name, change column, old name, new name, new data type, new constraint. For example, alter table student, change age student age int, which means age is new, old column, student age is new column. Next, modify column, which means modify the column. Alter table student, modify age varchar 50. Truncate, which means delete the tables data, which means delete tables, like truncate table name. Next, today's quiz is: what is use of where clause? Please answer for this in comment section. In the next video, we discuss how to install MySQL Workbench. Thank you for watching.